Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Put fresh batteries in your Google TV remote and power on the Samsung Smart TV. Once the TV boots, make sure its Bluetooth is enabled and it's connected to your home Wi-Fi. This simplifies discovery and authentication. Next, open the TV settings to the input or remote control section because pairing options are usually housed there. Do this now so you can immediately put the remote into pairing mode when prompted, preventing timeouts and unnecessary retries. Now put the Google TV remote into pairing mode by pressing and holding the specified buttons, typically the back and home buttons together for several seconds. Once the remote is discoverable, the Samsung TV will list available Bluetooth devices. Navigate to that list and select the Google TV remote when it appears. After selecting it, a pairing prompt or PIN may show on screen. Confirm the code or accept the prompt so the TV and remote exchange credentials and create a trusted connection. Once paired, test navigation, home, back, and volume keys to verify full functionality. Make sure the remote controls apps and inputs as expected. If something fails, first repair the remote. Remove it from the TV's Bluetooth list and repeat the process, then restart both devices and try again. If problems persist, check for a TV firmware update or consider trying a different input or a Bluetooth adapter. Compatibility issues can sometimes block native pairing. This single troubleshooting step usually resolves stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.